today I'm going to start with you all a new chapter, sorting materials into groups. What do you mean by sorting materials? And yeah, before starting to a new chapter, let's come to a message which I want you all to follow this. I hope you all are following this at home. This SMS. This is not what you all are doing on your phone. This is S for soap, M for mask and S for social distance. आप सभी लोग इसे फॉलो कर रहे होंगे और अपनी देखभाल और अपनी फैमिली की देखभाल कर रहे होंगे कोविड से. Let's start with a new chapter. What do you mean by sorting? आप लोग ने एक्टिविटी करी होगी एंड अभी भी करते होंगे. आप अपने टॉयज को एक जगह रखते होंगे और अपनी बुक्स को दूसरी जगह रखते होंगे. ऐसा क्यों करते हो? या फिर मिक्स करके रखते हो? अलग अलग रखते होगे ना. ऐसा क्यों करते हो? उनके यूज के अकॉर्डिंग आप उन्हें डिफ्रेंशिएट करते हो. अगर आप तो जहाँ पे खेलते हो वहाँ टॉयज रखते होगे और जहाँ पढ़ाई करते हो वहाँ पे बुक्स रखते होगे, है ना. यही जो आप डिफ्रेंशिएट कर रहे हो चीजों में, इसको कहेंगे. एंड बाकी का चैप्टर्स लेट्स सी. Let's start with this chapter, sorting materials into groups. जैसे कि हमने इससे पहले जो वीडियो है उसमें हमने आप लोग को एक्सप्लेन किया है सॉर्टिंग क्या होता है, सॉर्टिंग क्यों ज़रूरी है. ठीक है. लेट्स सी इन दिस चैप्टर. इमेजिन दैट यू विथ योर पेरेंट्स आर इन अ डिपार्टमेंट स्टोर. ऑलराइट. योर मदर wants some grocery. Your father wants to look at some wall paintings. You want some music DVDs for yourself. And the three of you head in three different directions in the store. Have you ever imagined why? Because all the objects in that store are categorized into different sections according to their type. And why this differentiation happen? Such organization, because such organization is convenient and leads to better management. In this lesson, we'll learn in detail about the classification of materials. We'll see in this picture that what makes life interesting is its variety. Look around yourself. You see people of different regions, different language, engaged in different profession, eating different food, pursuing different hobbies. Variety in all goods that we used in our life, like clothes we wear are of different colors. The containers we use are of different shapes like conical, cuboidal, cylindrical, etc. The sofa set and dining table that we used are made up of wood. Based on our observation, we conclude that all objects have different shapes, colors, and properties. All objects are made of one or more material. Like clothes, in this picture, this clothes are designed maybe of cotton, silk, linen, jute, nylon, etc. We use a glass which is of stainless steel, or maybe it is made up of plastic. Likewise, this crockery also, है ना. Objects, it conclude that objects around us are made up of large variety of materials. Objects can also be sorted on the basis of their shapes. First, let us see in this picture, this table, this wooden table, this may be of different shape also, and large variety and made up of large variety of material. It may be of wood, made up of wood, or it may be steel. also. This leather bag, this jacket, it is made up of leather. Vehicles that we use, cars, buses, scooters, are made up of steel. We may say that objects around us are made up of large variety of materials. In this picture, we see the 4 objects. These objects are sorted out according to their shapes. Like a box, it may be of cube in shape or cuboid, whereas this ball is a sphere. A laundry bag is cylindrical in shape, whereas washing machine is cuboidal in shape. Thus we can say that we can easily classify objects on their basis, on their shapes as well as well. Objects can also be sorted out on the basis of the material they are made up of. Like this toothbrush, this is made up of plastic. This cupboard, it may be made up of iron or wood. This book, it is made up of paper. The shoes, it is made up of leather, canvas or resin. Now in this picture, through this picture, we can conclude that objects can also be classified on the basis of their state as solid, liquid and gases. That water, boy is in that first block, that boy is drinking water or milk, it is in liquid form. And in the next one, that boy eating chapati, it is in solid form. In this picture, this milk is in liquid form and the steam coming out from this milk is in gaseous form. Through this picture, we'll see that there are 3 states of matter: solid, liquid and gases, as we discussed it further earlier. This hat, pencil, snow, table, bicycle, apple, tree house, computer, skateboard are of solid. Drink, juice, soup, rain, hot chocolate, these are all of liquid. And in the next one, wind, air, hot air balloon, steam, fog, these are of in gaseous state. Now we'll see that what is the need of sorting materials. We sort materials as it allows us to locate materials easily. Sorting allows us to study the properties of materials. Okay, let us summarize what we have learnt in today's lesson. Objects around us are of different shapes, color and state. Objects are made up of different materials also. Objects can also be classified on the basis of the shapes and colors. They can be classified on the basis of the state of their matter. Yet another basis of classification is the raw material used to create objects. Sorting objects allows us to locate them easily, and sorting objects also allows us to study their properties. All right.